Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at data validation date custom. Now let's look at my scenario this. Now restrict the attendance column to Monday through Friday to prevent students from entering weekend dates. Now hear this. As an instructor, I run my training sections Monday through Friday every single week. When students input their attendance, I want to make sure that they don't accidentally pick a Saturday or a Sunday. Now, for me to prevent those errors, I am going to validate this particular date column. So they can only select our official training days. So let's see how we can set that. Now here I'm going to pick Monday, and yesterday was Monday, so which is going to be 6/1/2026. Then I will hit my enter. Now here I'm going to use a function called weekday, which is going to be equals to weekday serial number. This is going to be my serial number, comma, then the next argument return type. So I'll go for 2, Monday through Sunday. Close my bracket, then lesser than, I'll go for 6. Now when you say lesser than 6, it means Monday through Friday. When you say lesser than 7, it means Monday through Saturday. When you say lesser than 3, it means Monday through Tuesday. So this time mine is Monday through Friday, and I will hit my enter, which is true. Okay, because yesterday was Monday. True. So if I change it to 7, I will get false, because this should be Sunday. This should be Sunday. Yes, Sunday. So now I will change it back to 1, hit my enter, true, and I will copy my formula, then delete this, so now I will highlight, go to my data, then data tools, data validation, the drop down custom, then input my formula or paste my formula. So here you can input a message, here you can input error alert to guide your students. So now I will just press OK. Now the next thing is this. Now let me put myself in a shoe of a student that wants to fill this particular column, his own training dates. So now I'm going to go for 4. 4 is Thursday. 4, 2026. Can you see? Excel will accept it. Excel will accept it because the training days are between Monday through Friday. Okay, so now let's say another student inputs Sunday. What is going to happen? Well, Excel triggers. That will be 6 slash 7 slash 2026. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Retry. So that means you will need to retry and then input the right date. Now, the beauty behind this date custom is this. Now, it can also work for other months like July, August, September, October, November, December. It can work for all the months. It can work for all the months. It will only trigger when you select weekend. Yeah, it triggers when you select weekend. Okay, so I hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Okay, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.